back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you this amazing look. I love this look and was quite simple and it took me less than 5 minutes. No, ये ज़्यादा हो गया. It took me less than 10 minutes to create this look, and yeah, it turned out to be very good. And you can wear it to night parties, and if you're very comfortable wearing dark lipstick, you can even wear it on the daytime too. So if you want to learn how I created this look, stay tuned. So we are going to be starting with moisturizing our face, and I'm using this Color Bar Timeless Lift, and it is a sort of a night cream. So since I'm shooting it at night, I'm going to be using it. And I'm going to be applying it. सीज़न में अगर आपको ड्रग स्टोर फाउंडेशन को चूज़ करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और अच्छे फाउंडेशन को जो स्वेट से बहे ना, सो दिस इज़ द वन यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. इट इज़ द बेस्ट फाउंडेशन. कवरेज भी इसका मीडियम है, ये अच्छे से आपको कवरेज देगा. अगर आपने कंसीलर लगा लिया सो इट इज़ गोना हाइड ऑल योर फ्लॉज. एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड हाउ टू चूज़ correct shade of foundation in the video. The link is just above and you can watch it later. So I'm going to be starting off with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and I'll be taking it on the back of my hand. Closer, and I'm using this Damn Beauty blender to blend in the foundation very nicely. And you don't have to drag it, you just have to push it. अच्छे से push करना है. I'm using TL powder to set my face. For eyes, I'm gonna be using this Color Studio Beauty Glaze palette, and it is the beautiful palette. Literally, trust me, this is so beautiful. The pigments are very good, and you can see it is new. I haven't used it yet, and let's see. So I'm gonna be using this light color. Since it is the summer look, I'm gonna be using this light color. And now I'm taking this light silvery shimmery color, and I'm gonna be applying it all over my lid. I'm going to be using this brown color, and we'll be mixing that silvery color with this brown. Now I'm taking this angled brush, and I'm going to be taking the black eyeshadow and will put it on my lids as a liner. My eye look is done, so I'm gonna be quickly applying mascara. I'm not gonna be using liner since I used the black eyeshadow as a hint of liner. So I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl. My cheeks, and I'm gonna be using this Sugar Mauve Marble shaded blush, and I'm gonna be taking it and tapping the axis off, and will apply on the apple of my cheeks. Any highlighter you want, any of your favorite highlighter, just make sure that it doesn't have the golden pigment so much that it looks odd, because it's summertime, you have to look very naturally glowing, right? So I'm going to be using the silver pigmented eyeshadow and will use it as highlighter. I'll be using Nykaa Get Set Matte Demi Matte Lip Cream in the shade Slay, and it is the amazing shade, and I'm gonna zoom you in, guys, so that you can see. And it looks like this. The packaging is beautiful. So this is the final look. I hope you guys loved it. I am loving this look. It was quite simple and it was less time taking, and yeah, if you loved my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also take out time to subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you can get notified as soon as I post new videos.